Hey everybody, it's Dynamic John Mickle from Dynamic Carpet Care, and every day I'm asked, how do I get out stains? How do I get out odors out of my rug or my house? One of the ones I'm asked is there something natural I can use to get rid of the odor in my house? I've got just the solution. What you want to do is you've got your trusty spray bottle mixed with some warm water. Put a couple, maybe an ounce of vinegar. Vinegar is a great neutralizer for the home. It's a natural remedy. And next thing you want to do, this could be hanging right in your yard. A lemon. Pick one from your tree, or if not, go to the local market, get one. Cut a little piece, put it in that spray bottle. Okay, that's going to help with odor, and it's not a Corona, so don't drink it. So we put that in there, and that's going to be a great natural remedy to make your house smell fresher. So I hope this helped. If not, contact a local professional if that smell is lingering, or contact me for free tips. www.dynamiccarpetcaretampa.com, and remember, keep it clean, my friends.